Dear friends, a very warm welcome to this new video. Unfortunately, this week, due to some unavoidable reasons, we will not be able to share a large video. So in order to compensate for that, this week we will be sharing a small video of maximum of 5 minutes in which we will share some very interesting and powerful uh, tips and tricks about Excel. So in today's session, I'm going to introduce you to a very powerful and a unique tool of Excel. Do you know our Excel has its own camera? So now, today in this video, we will discuss how to bring that camera in our ribbon or in one of the menus that those are available, and how to use them and how powerful this camera is. We will discuss in this video. So just to explain the features of camera, I have just prepared this one small table. So let's start. So in order to bring the camera, first you will go to File menu, and in that you will go to Options. As soon as you will click on the options, a dialog box, something like this will appear. In this, you will go to Customize Ribbon. And in Customize Ribbon, the first thing that we need to do is from this drop-down list, we will select all commands. Now, you scroll down and go all the way. Here, the various commands available in Excel are arranged in alphabetic order, that is A to Z. So we will keep on scrolling down till the time we reach the option camera. So here, this is the option of camera. Now, this option is available and we want to bring it to our one of the menus available. So in order to bring this to one of your menus, what you need to do is, first of all, these are the standard menus which are available. From this menu, you can select any of the menu in which you want to add this camera. So say, for example, I want to add it in home menu. So I will open the home menu by clicking on this button. Now, in order to add camera to a new sub-menu of home menu, what I will do is I will click on any of the menu, available menu, and then I will click on new group. So as soon as I will click on this, a sub menu of analysis will get created. Now I need to rename it. So whilst I will just click on it to make sure that this particular group is selected, I will click on rename and I can give name. Say, for example, I'm giving it the same name, that is camera. And from this available symbols, you can select any one of the symbol that you want to use. So for example, here I'm selecting this smiley. I'll click on OK. Now this new group is created. Now what I will do is, again, I will click on camera option and click on add button. So you can see here the camera has been added. Now I'll just click on OK. And now you see here the camera option has been added to my home menu. So now what I will do is I will select this entire table for which I want to take the picture. After making the selection, I will just click on camera. Now you see this table has been selected. Now what I will do is I will paste this table on this screen here. Now it has come as a picture, but taking this the special feature that I was talking about was, now let's do one thing. We change the quantity of this from 5 to 15. So you see here the numbers has changed, and here also the numbers has changed. Let me show it again to you. Now let's change this quantity from 20 to 40. So see, again, the amount for this particular item and the total has changed, and that same has been changed here. So this is the biggest advantage that we get. This is a picture. You can place it anywhere. You can reduce the size. And if you want, you can increase the size. But even though it is working as a picture, but if you are making any change in the source data, those all those changes will get reflected in this picture. So when you are taking a screen print, or when you are using any other tool to capture the screen, the screen captured will react as a or behave as a picture only. And if you will make any changes in the source data, that will not get replicated in the picture. But if you are using the camera of Excel, then this is the biggest advantage that we get. That is, whenever you will make any change in the source data, those changes will get reflected in the picture that you have captured. So that's pretty much in today's session. And soon we will come up with another such a small session during this week to compensate for not sharing a big session video. And hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.